guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. Today I'm working on another really fun planting project. So I'm going to plant up all 14 of our self-watering containers. You guys might remember them. I planted them up last year with the Above and Beyond recipe, which was Super Tunia Vista Bubblegum, Vista Fuchsia, and Vista Silverberry. Really pretty blend of pinks, and we had them along one fence line on our property, and they did so well. So those Vista Super Tunias, we planted them about mid-May, and they immediately started to grow, fill in. They were full of bloom all season long, and they just draped all the way to the ground to where you couldn't see like a single side of the pots. It just looked like this ball of color, this ball of pink. They were getting fertilizer once a week, and they were in a very full sun location, like sun all day long, which Super Tunias do prefer. They can be in an area that gets about 6 to 8 hours. As long as they get that much, they'll be happy, but they'll be happiest if you can put them somewhere where they can just have sun like to their heart's content. So those lasted, I think, until it was like beginning of November when we pulled them out finally. And in the center of all those Super Tunias, I used purple fountain grass, and I love using those in containers as a centerpiece, and I loved it so much out there last year that I'm repeating that plant this year. But as far as the other colors go, I wanted to change it up because that's the fun part of gardening, right? Is just doing things a little bit different from year to year and learning about different combos. This right here is probably one of my favorite color palettes. So I have Super Tunia Royal Velvet, this beautiful deep velvety purple. I have Super Tunia Limoncello, and I love this color of yellow because it's very soft and very pleasing to me, just that buttery color. And then we have Super Tunia Bordeaux, which is the annual plant of the year this year, and I like that it has a deep purple throat with the light lavender on the outside. I think that this is just such a beautiful blend. So what I'm going to do is use 3 of each one of these around the outside, and then the purple fountain grass in the middle, and that's how many I used last year. So 9 Super Tunias all together, and then 1 grass, and I think it filled in the pot perfectly. Before I do plant them, I will be putting in a continuous release plant food, so that's something I'll just mix into the soil before they're planted, and then like I said, I will be watering them with water soluble once a week. All right guys, so I got them all done, and I absolutely love the way they look. I love the colors. I love the way the colors look with the pots. I just love to have the pots back out here again. I enjoyed them so much. And when we cleaned them out and put them away for winter, I was kind of sad. It looked so blank over here all winter long. So anyway, we watered them all in from the top today, and like I said, we'll do that probably between 3 and 5 times just until the plants get established enough and the root systems can start drawing up water from the reservoir. We did fill the reservoirs today as well, so they're all ready to go as soon as the plant starts wanting to suck up the moisture. In case you guys aren't familiar with this planter, they're called the Dot Planter from Crescent Garden, and they are the first self-watering container I've tried that have actually worked really well for me. In terms of like actually working for days and days and even weeks. The other self-watering containers I've used, I mean, it'll maybe get you by for a day or 2 or maybe 3, but this one actually works for a really long time. So I'm just super excited to see these things grow on this year, and we'll be giving you guys updates along the way. Hope you enjoyed seeing them come together for another year, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.